AIvideotools currently feel like they're split into two categories. The first is impressive demos, short clips that look great for 3 seconds but completely fall apart when you try to build something bigger. The second is real creative tools that can maintain motion consistency and visual logic long enough to actually be useful. That's why I wanted to test out Luma Dream Machine. Many know Luma because of the hype around realism, but realism alone isn't enough anymore. The main question is simple. Can it build scenes that feel cohesive, cinematic, and truly applicable in a workflow? So for this test, I wanted to create a full-blown sci-fi chase scene. A futuristic car moving through neon streets at night. Rain everywhere, reflections on the ground, aggressive camera movement, and high-speed transitions. A concept like this usually breaks weak models because it combines motion, atmosphere, lighting, and object consistency all at once. I'm starting with a simple text prompt and the first result already looks strong. The environment is alive, reflections react naturally, the speed feels believable, and most importantly, the camera movement looks intentional. This is one of the hardest things in AI video right now. Not just object motion, but moving the camera in a way that feels high-end. But one clip doesn't prove much. Next, I'm extending the sequence. Instead of a new scene, I'm using extend to continue the same motion path. This is where most models lose continuity. The object changes, lighting jumps, or the environment resets. But here, the sequence remains surprisingly stable. Same car, same road, same atmosphere, same visual energy. It feels like one continuous scene, not a collection of disjointed clips. Then I enhance this with image to video. I upload a static frame of the car and animate it directly. This is important because image to video is a test of consistency. The AI must preserve exact shapes, proportions, lighting logic, and visual identity while adding motion. Everything holds up very well here. The car stays accurate, reflections are realistic, and the motion is smooth. And after that, I'm testing out Remix. This is one of the most underrated features because it lets you keep the base structure and completely change the style. I take the same scene and translate it into different visual directions: cyberpunk, realistic noir, anime action, retrofuturism. Same scene, completely different mood. This means a single generated sequence can instantly branch out into several creative ideas. Next, I'm experimenting with camera control. This is where Luma starts to feel powerful, because instead of random movement, you can shape how the scene moves. The zooms become more dramatic, side-tracking shots create a sense of speed. Wide cinematic reveals make the environment feel more massive. This is what separates just okay content from premium level content. And that's exactly why Luma is so important right now. Not because it generates the most clips, but because it understands movement better than most tools. Without believable movement, realism doesn't mean a thing. The larger shift is obvious. AI video is moving beyond short tricks. It's becoming a real production layer for creators. Faster scene testing, faster storyboarding, faster visual experiments. The less time spent creating initial assets, the more time is left for shaping ideas. And honestly, this is where Dream Machine becomes dangerous in the best way, because when speed and quality converge, the gap between imagination and execution almost disappears.